Selling on Amazon is like stepping onto a never-ending racetrack. The competition is relentless. New sellers enter the game every day, and trends shift faster than ever. If you're just reacting to changes instead of anticipating them, you're already behind. So how do you stay ahead? You watch your competition like a hawk. And no, I don't mean manually checking competitor listings every day. That would take way too much time, and by the time you notice something, it's already too late. You need a way to track everything in real time. Pricing shifts, sales trends, keyword rankings, all without spending hours glued to your screen. That's where Helium 10's Market Tracker comes in. This tool doesn't just collect data, it turns it into insights. It helps you figure out what's working for your competitors and where the market is headed, and most importantly, how you can stay one step ahead. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how to use Market Tracker and Helium 10 to analyze competitor trends on Amazon. We'll cover why tracking competitors is absolutely necessary for your success, the problems with doing it manually, and why automation is a game changer, step-by-step instructions on how to use Market Tracker to track sales, pricing, and market trends, and how to connect Market Tracker with other Helium 10 tools for even deeper insights. If you're selling on Amazon, this is information you cannot afford to skip, so let's dive in. Why competitor analysis is crucial on Amazon. Think about this. Imagine you're running a brick and mortar store, and right across the street, there's another store selling almost the same products. Wouldn't you want to know what they're charging, what's selling the most, and when they run sales or promotions? Of course you would. Now apply that same logic to Amazon. You're not just competing against one store, you're competing against thousands of sellers. And the ones who win, they aren't just guessing. They know exactly what's happening in their niche, and they adjust accordingly. Here's what competitor research helps you with. Spotting trends early. If a certain product is suddenly flying off the shelves, wouldn't you want to know why before everyone else jumps on it? Understanding pricing strategies. Some sellers lower prices to win the buy box, while others sell at premium by positioning their product differently. Figuring out what keywords are working. If a competitor suddenly starts ranking higher, they may have found a keyword goldmine that you're missing out on. Avoiding costly mistakes. Sometimes a product looks like a winning idea, but after checking competitor data, you realize it's actually a sinking ship. The bottom line is that by ignoring your competitors, it's like playing poker without looking at the other player's hands. You might win a round or two, but in the long run, you're just gambling. And we're here to play smart, not just get lucky. The problem with doing this manually. Now you might be thinking, can't I just check my competitors' listings myself? Sure you could, but here's the problem. One, it's a full-time job. If you're tracking just one or two competitors, it might be manageable. But most of us are competing in crowded markets. Checking 10, 20, or even 50 sellers manually, that's hours of work every single day. Two, data changes too fast. Prices, rankings, and sales trends change daily. By the time you spot a shift, you're already playing catch-up. Three, Amazon doesn't give you the full picture. Amazon doesn't show you competitor revenue, profit margins, or advertising spend. Without the right tools, you're guessing instead of knowing. That's why serious sellers use automation. It's faster, more accurate, and lets you focus on growing your business instead of drowning in spreadsheets. And that brings us to Helium 10's Market Tracker. So, are you ready to take your Amazon business to the next level? Helium 10's Market Tracker is the ultimate tool for analyzing competitor trends and staying ahead in the game. With real-time data, advanced insights, and powerful automation, you'll have everything that you need to make informed decisions and grow your sales. You can go ahead and sign up for a free trial today by clicking the link down below in the description. Or if you're ready to get started with the plan, we have a coupon code down for you as well. You can go ahead and get 20% off your first 6 months of a platinum plan by using code ECOMMastery20 at checkout, or get 10% off every month for life by using code ECOMMastery10 at checkout on a platinum plan. How to set up and use Helium 10 Market Tracker. All right, now let's get practical. Here's how you set up Market Tracker and use it to stay ahead of the competition. Step 1, setting up your Market Tracker project. So log into Helium 10 and open up Market Tracker and click on Create New Market. This is where you define what you want to track. Enter your product category or ASINs. For example, if you sell yoga mats, you can track all the best-selling yoga mats in your niche. Market Tracker will suggest relevant products to track, but you can also add competitors manually. Once your competitors are added, Helium 10 starts tracking everything automatically. Boom. You now have real-time data at your fingertips. So to go ahead and get there, we're gonna come up here to Tools and click on Market Tracker over here under Analytics. So from here, we'll go ahead and click on Get Started and click on Create New Market. So for this, we'll go ahead and type in yoga mat. We'll select the marketplace. Right now, we'll select Amazon. And here we can go ahead and track keywords and products. Okay, so I went ahead and went to Amazon and found a high selling yoga mat, had over 100,000 ratings. They've done over $1 million in 30-day revenue. So let's come over here to the create new market and we'll go ahead and add in that product. We'll also add in yoga mat here for a keyword as well. And we'll go ahead and click on create market. So as you can see, they are currently processing the market now and they'll notify us when it's done. Step 2, understanding the data in Market Tracker. Now, once Market Tracker is up and running, here's what you'll see. Competitor sales trends. Who's selling the most? Who's gaining or losing momentum? Pricing changes. Which sellers are adjusting prices? Is there a race to the bottom or are premium prices winning? Market share insights. See how much of the market each competitor controls. Keyword movements. Find out what keywords are making your competitors money. Stock levels. Spot when competitors run out of stock. A golden opportunity for you to steal their customers. Instead of guessing what's happening, you can see the full picture here in real time. Step 3, using Market Tracker to make smarter decisions. This is where it gets powerful. Now that you have the data, here's how you use it. Step 1, adjust your pricing strategy. If a competitor lowers their price, should you match it? Not necessarily. Market Tracker helps you see whether their sales actually increase or if they're just cutting into their own profits. Step 2, optimize your keyword strategy. If a competitor's ranking suddenly jumps, it's likely because they found a high converting keyword. With Market Tracker, you can find out what that keyword is and start targeting it in your own listing in PPC campaigns. Step 3, identify market trends. Before they go mainstream, say you notice multiple customers are raising their prices or selling out of stock. That could mean that demand is surging. This is your chance to capitalize before the trend peaks. 4, outmaneuver your competitor's advertising strategy. Market Tracker doesn't just show organic sales. It helps you spot which competitors are using Amazon ads. If a seller suddenly starts dominating the rankings, they might be running an aggressive PPC campaign. You can counter this by optimizing your own ads or finding less competitive keywords that they haven't yet discovered. So if you want to get started with Helium 10 so you can go ahead and create your own market tracker, then we'll have a link for you down in the description below. And Helium 10 has a couple of different plans here that you can get started with. They have their starter plan at $29 per month, which is good for beginner sellers. Then there's their platinum plan at $79 per month, which is their most popular plan. And this is perfect for that intermediate seller and someone who wants to take their Amazon selling to the next level. There's also the diamond plan, which is their top tier plan at $229 per month billed annually. And again, if you go ahead and click the link down below in the description, we will go ahead and have these coupons here for you. So you can get 20% off your first 6 months with code EcomMastery20 for a platinum plan, or you can go ahead and get 10% off every month for life by using code EcomMastery10 on a platinum plan. So it looks like we have some of that data here for that one yoga mat. Now we can go ahead and see the market volume. They're doing $1.1 million in sales. So here is the market tracker data. Now I think it is still pulling some data, but you can go ahead and kind of come in here and see sort of what this looks like. Final thoughts, how to stay ahead. At the end of the day, Amazon is only getting more competitive. The sellers who win aren't the ones who guess. They're the ones who track, analyze, and adapt faster than everyone else. Helium 10 Market Tracker gives you that unfair advantage. It helps you track competitor sales and pricing in real time. It helps you spot trends before they explode. It helps you make data-driven decisions instead of guessing. It helps you stay ahead of market shifts and changing demand. So if you're serious about growing your Amazon business, then go ahead and start using Market Tracker today. So if you want to get started with Helium 10, we'll have that link for you down in the description. This is an affiliate link, which means that we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce by providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your online business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thanks for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.